Everyone, in today's video, we will see how to fix the Vodafone broadband known internet, troubleshooting signal and router connection fast. Fix 1. Restart your Vodafone router. Turn off your Vodafone router and unplug the power cable for about 30 seconds. Then it back in and wait 3 or 5 minutes for all lights to stabilize. Fix 2. Check router light. So solid white or green, the internet light usually means the connection is working. Flashing or red internet light often indicates a connection problem between the router and Vodafone network. Fix 3. Inspect all cables. Check the DSL, WAN, fiber or Ethernet cable connected to the router. Make sure all connections are firmly plugged in. If you see a phone socket or microfilter, verify it is not damaged. Fix 4. Check for Vodafone service outlets. So visit Vodafone official network status checker and enter your postcode or address to check for known issue in your area. You can also check community outages tracker like Down Detector to see if other Vodafone customers are operating problem. If Vodafone report a fault or maintenance work, you will need to wait until the service is restored. Fix 5. Factory reset the router. So press and hold the reset button for about 8 to 10 seconds using a paper clip. Then wait for the router to troubleshoot completely. Then reconnect your device using the Wi-Fi name and password shown on the router label. The fix 6. Contact Vodafone support. So open the Vodafone app or website, the Vodafone help and support page to access live chat and troubleshooting tools. Then call Vodafone customer support from your Vodafone mobile or the landline for direct assistance. Have your account number, broadband username, and router detail ready before contacting the support. So explain the router light status and the troubleshooting steps you have already tried to help speed up the diagnosis. Goodbye and thanks for watching.